Congratulations! First place! Third place ain't second place.
Hey, it's Dr. Mario. Don't forget to take your vitamins, make sure to stretch and drink water. Oh, and thanks for the follow.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
hello.
And now, back to our show.
Hi, welcome back. Welcome back from the ads. Hi, it's nice to see you today. Hi. Hi, Meow Mix. Oh my gosh, Son Goku. Good to see you. Brother Bill, what did I do? How did the drama start already? Hi, Wooden Hooligan. Hi, Aaron. A 45 stream streak? And wait a minute. Land-based angler has a 25 stream streak? I am so touched. Sergi, hi, Quiet Violet. Here's a flower for Quiet Violet. Pretend I have a flower. Hello. Let's scroll from the top. Ormet, hello. How about just a cat stream? We could do another just a cat stream. Look, Bobby heard that. Ormet, Bobby heard. Oh my gosh, thank you, Son Goku. Yeah, I have a little corset I got from Amazon, and I was like, let me try this out for Diablo. It feels like it fits. Tetsi, hello, welcome. Hello. Let's scroll up. Hi, Up for Red, congrats on first. Dr. Roshitnik, congrats on second. Wooden Hooligan, congrats on third. So nice to see you today. Thank you, Quiet Violet. I had this tiara and I was like, what look can I put together with this tiara? Thank you, Son Goku. Thank you. Diablo 2 is my favorite. Zoami, I've never played it. We're gonna play the resurrected version. And I believe you can switch between the classic look and a modern look. So I'm excited to try that. I used to play Diablo and D2 so much. You can? That's awesome. So I love with my whole heart and soul Diablo 1. I love that game. So I thought, why not play Diablo 2 today? Never, Meow Mix. I did stream Diablo 1 on GOG. And it was Diablo 1 and Hellfire. The remake is good too. Awesome. So, hello, Up for Red. Hi, Sergi. Hi, Ormet. Land-based angler. Hello, welcome. Quiet Violet.
It's been a long road getting from there to here.
Hello, Washington. Hi. Nice, Infinite Grand. Nice. Well, hello. Hello, Washington. I heard they added new class in D2. Yes, I heard that as well. Solo King. Hello, welcome. Hi, how are you? Got the tiara on. Yeah, I mean, why have it just sitting on my dresser, just not being used, right? Let's use it. Brother Bill, how was your day? Wild to get new content after 20 plus years. Oh my gosh, right? That means people who love Diablo really love it. Okay, who else is here? West Banana, hello. Twisted Mentat. Meow Mix. Sorceress Ash, yes. You saw me on a DreamHack ad. Yes, I am on a DreamHack ad. I am. And I am very excited to be hosting the main stage of DreamHack this year. Hi, Quantum Pause. Hello, welcome. Welcome in. Well, Solo, thank you so much for coming in and taking a chance to see what it's like here on this channel, here on Twitch. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for joining us. We're going to play Diablo 2 today. Have you ever played a Diablo game? The usual work, reading, watching Star Blazers. What's Star Blazers? My sister drinks her milk with ice. Wait a minute. Wait. Quiet Violet. As a kid, I used to drink my milk with ice. It's like a milkshake when it gets frozen. In with the new. Hello, welcome. Quiet Violet, listen, when the milk gets a little frozen, it's like a milkshake. It's so good. It's so good. Where are my cats, Jessie? She's right here. You prefer your milk hot. No, I discovered this channel because of the DreamHack ad. Wooden Hooligan. Is that right? Welcome in. It's so nice to meet you. Quantum Pause, thank you for the 25 bits. Look, Bobby, she's giving herself a bath. She heard when you asked about her. That's why she stopped. Forget to become my troll, so I must say Ash, literally the best. And I will allow Ash. You will allow Ash words, huh? Is that right? I didn't realize as a queen I needed permission. Since when? Is this science fiction, space opera? Oh my god, that sounds awesome, Brother Bill. I'm gonna have to look into that. That sounds really cool. My bad, fam. I'm out. Never mind. Wait, come back. Wait, come back. Brother Bill, that sounds very, very cool. I think I would definitely be interested in checking that out. But yeah, how was your day? What did you do today? What did you eat for lunch or dinner? Today I had kimchi and eggs and quinoa, and it was really good. Kimchi and eggs go really well together. Have you ever tried that combo? It's an Ash stream. There's always drama. Told somebody that you were my hero yesterday, but not to tell you. In with the new what? That is so sweet of you to say. What? Oh my gosh. Y'all are gonna make me cry. Thank you. Thank you for such a kind thing to say. I try my best, but you know, it's important that we... How did the kids say it today? Kindness maxing. Do good all the time. It's so easy to do good. Just why not, right? It's so easy to do good and help others. You just bought Ready or Not 2 on Prime. You couldn't get tickets in theaters, so I'm excited to watch it. Oh, nice. Is that a TV show? It's on Crunchyroll. The series' prior version goes to the mid-70s. Oh, wow. Okay. Crunchyroll has a lot of good shows on it. I don't have Crunchyroll, but I'll see if I could find a synopsis of it on YouTube. Bobby, what you doing, pretty? You're such a pretty girl. Look at her. She's the prettiest cat. I love this girl so much. She's looking at you, chat. It's a movie? Oh, nice. Is the Mortal Kombat movie out yet, y'all? Is that movie out? I was curious because I kind of want to see it. Oh my gosh, Quantum Pause, that is such a cute emote. Erin plays? That's an Erin emote? I love Erin. Hi, FS Duke. Hello, thank you so much for saying that. Welcome in. I'm a big Erin Plays fan. She's really cool. I love her. Okay. A pretty girl, Bobby. Quiet Violet has a flower for you. Oh, look at this, sweetums. She's like, I'm just trying to snooze, okay? I'm just trying to snooze over here. All right, chat. Are y'all ready for some Diablo? Now, I know Queen Bobby napping in the background. Now, chat, when I played Diablo 1, I played as the warrior class. I am sure within this game, they added more to it. What, if you've played Diablo 2, what do you like to play as? Connecting to Battle.net. Reign of the Warlock. You like to play as the Amazon? How's the sound, chat? Is the sound for the game okay? Cinematics, credits, exit Diablo 2. The Reign of the Warlock is now available. You like Necro? Oh dear. Okay, play. Is this an online game? Wait, chat, what is it? What does it mean online? Sorceress? Melanin beard? This is scary? You can choose offline? Wait, this is considered a scary game? Other folks will be there with you? But is it like PvE? Can they kill me and take my treasure? Or is it like I just see them in the world and they are doing their own thing? When was the last time I played Diablo 1? When I used to play it on GOG, Nuke for Prez. Hi, Nuke for Prez, by the way. They're doing their own thing. They won't kill you. Only if you choose to join their game or create an open one of your own. You could say, it's been a long road.
It's been a long road.
Yes, that's true.
Getting from there to here.
It has been a long road since the last time I played. Ash's El Diablo is Spanish for the devil. People can hostile you. You have to go to bed soon, Quiet Violet. I hope you get some good sleep, okay? There's that. Okay. Let's try offline since this is my first time. Create new. Ooh. Toggle. Oh! Sorry, chat. Oh, this is so awesome. Yuri, thank you so much. Offline is great. Diablo 1 had an online option too? Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna turn the music down just slightly because it's a little loud for me. Okay, so we have the Amazon, skilled with the spear. I've never played it, Yuri. I've never played it. So we're playing for the first time ever. Skilled with the spear and the bow, she's very versatile as a fighter. Assassin, schooled in the martial arts, her mind and body are deadly weapons. Okay. But Diablo 1 came out with Dala. Oh, so it sucked. Yeah, Planeswalker, I've never played Diablo 2, so I'd like to appreciate the game that I have now instead of like comparing Diablo 4 to not doing something that being disappointed about something that I'm not doing. Game Pack Preacher, thank you so much. Yeah, no, I can't wait. I love Diablo 1, Planeswalker. I love Diablo 1 so much. It's like a comfort game for me. So I'm really excited to try Diablo 2. You're in for such a treat. Yeah, this game, you had to beg for this game when it came out. Okay, Necromancer. Oh, this is what Wooden Hooligan was talking about. Summoning undead minions and cursing his enemies. Wait a minute, is this the inspiration for Danhausen? Cursing his enemies? I played Diablo 1 on GOG, on PC. I played the GOG version. This is the Danhausen of the game, chat. You are cursed. All right. Barbarian, he is unequaled in close quarter combat and mastery of weapons.
You are cursed.
Right, there you go. You played on Windows 98? You played it? I heard the PS1 version is very good for Diablo. Hi, Kim. It's wonderful to see you. Hi, Chris. Paladin, he is a natural party leader. Holy man and blessed warrior. Sorceress, she has mastered the elemental magics, fire, lightning, and ice. It's always amazed they managed to put it so well. You didn't have a PC until you were an adult. Blew my mind at the time, still blows my mind. It's so good. And then the druid, commanding the forces of nature, he summons wild beasts and raging storms to his side. Thank you, Son Goku. Thank you. Thank you. It was really fun. It was really fun. Yeah, original Diablo came out on PS1. You don't have to go away, but you can just enjoy seeing it through someone who's never played it before. Got your first PC in 1999, but I understand if you prefer to go. I heard that D2 is a lot more balanced than D1. Okay, chat. I don't know who to choose. Druid, sorceress, paladin, barbarian, necromancer, assassin, or Amazon. I think I might go with the Amazon. Hi, Mina. I'm all for the Unga Bunga. Amazing that you never played this. I know, James, I never played it because I've only recently played Diablo 1. I know the sorceress sounds like it's gonna be good, but I'm afraid she might be squishy. Yes, Zoami, yes. Can you choose witch doctor? I don't think there's witch doctor here. At least it's not. What does hardcore mean? Whatever speaks to you. Amazon is good. She uses bows and spears, but her casting for magic is the worst. Also, Moloko. Yo, Soy Epic, thank you for the tier 1 sub for 72 months. Permadead? Oh. Mobius. Hello, welcome in. The core will be hard. Death will happen forever. You die, that's over for your character. Pick the druid in my honor, Yo Soy Epic says. Her spear attacks are vicious. Moloko Drenkrom, welcome in. It's nice to meet you. And Mobius, it's nice to meet you as well. Hello. Okay, so let's name our character Bobby, of course. And I think I'm gonna... Okay, I don't think I'm going to be interested in magic right now. I think Amazon and barbarian speak to me because I am all about brute forcing my way through things. Although on a second playthrough I could see myself doing sorceress or druid. Can I raise a counterpoint? Yes, raise a counterpoint. Wait, Amazon is amazing. Pierogi's high. Barb is so slow. To start, I wouldn't do barbarian first. Okay, that makes sense to me. That makes sense to me. Also, I think, hold on, chat. I think I might move this over a little bit just so y'all could see. Because I'd rather play on classic mode right now. I don't understand. I choose a mage for my first playthrough on Elden Ring, and it made it way harder, but I loved it. Okay, Zoami says every class will have 3 skill trees to pick from. It's best to choose one tree and stick with it. Like if you're a sorcerer, stick with cold, fire, or lightning. Don't put points all over the place. Makes sense. Is that Scone Bone? Hi, Scone. It's great to see you. Look at that amazing Conan emote. That is so good. Barbarian is not new friendly. Okay. Hi, telepathetic. Okay. Okay, so let's try Amazon and see what happens. How was your day, Scone? Bobby the Amazon. Look at how this looks. This is so cool. I like being able to swap back and forth like this. That is really hecking cool. Okay. Loading.
Good day.
Oh my god, chat, it looks so awesome. I'm really excited. Might depend on the playstyle, but first time I played this, brute force with the barbarian worked for me. I feel like I'm gonna end up testing out a bunch of things. There's a hotkey. I tried F5. Is it F4? F1? It's not the Fs. It's not any of the Fs. Let's see if it's an option. Character screen is A. Inventory. Party. Hireling. Oh, the music, right? Hi, Dragoon. Welcome. The updated version looks great too. I can't wait to like swap.
Whoa! Did you just subscribe? That's totally awesome. I'm gonna go tell Bart. Bye!
Thor, thank you for the tier 1 sub for 29 months, Thor. I hope you're getting some good rest from your trip. Welcome in. It's good to see you. Guitar time. Diabler. Exactly. Sleep Eater. Hello. The music is so good. Have you... Scone, I've never, ever played Diablo 2 before. Never. This is the first time. Thank you, Meow Mix. Thank you. I redid all of my alerts. The Enterprise did drop off Millhouse. They have some of the music from Diablo 1. Show belt. Use belt. Belt. Swap weapon. Chat. Run. Stand still. Show items. Fade auto map. Party on auto map. Oh, wow. Legacy toggle is G.
38, 39, 40 bits! Thanks so much!
Wooden Hooligan, thanks for the 40 bits. Thank you, Thor. Yeah, if you type exclamation bits, you'll see a list of all of the bit alerts. I'm having some great rest. Hope you enjoyed Diablo 2. Prez had to carry me on part of this. Oh my god, that's amazing. G. Okay. My brother and I bonded on this game. First ARPG for me. That's awesome, Scone. Scone, that is so cool. G. So if I press G, oh, chat. That is so cool. Wow.
Good day.
I love it. I'm waiting on the Muttley laugh. I gotta, that's my goal. That's my goal for tomorrow. Since I'm off from streaming tomorrow, to work on all of those things I showed you all. It's so cool, right, Thor? It's so cool. Nick, I'm gonna play the old style. That's how I'm gonna play this. Welcome in, by the way. Hello. Great to see you. All right. I'm so ready, Chad. Okay, let's talk to Warif.
Greetings, stranger. I'm not surprised to see your kind here. Many adventurers have traveled this way since the recent troubles began. No doubt you've heard about the tragedy that befell the town of Tristram. Some say that Diablo, the Lord of Terror, walks the world again. I don't know if I believe that, but a dark wanderer did travel this route a few weeks ago. He was headed east to the mountain pass guarded by the rogue monastery. Maybe it's nothing, but evil seems to have trailed in his wake. You see, shortly after the wanderer went through,
yes, I think
the
we just got a
monastery's
Prime
gates to the pass
subscription.
were closed, and strange creatures began ravaging the countryside. Until it's safer outside the camp and the gates are reopened, I'll remain here with my caravan. I hope to leave for Lut Gulain before the shadow that fell over Tristram consumes us all. If you're still alive then, I'll take you along. You should talk to Akara too. She seems to be the leader of this camp. Maybe she can tell you more.
Nick, thank you so much for the Prime sub for 5 months. I hope you enjoy your emotes and your ad-free viewing. Twisted Mentat, I did not watch the intro. I didn't know that an intro... I thought it would have automatically played when I hit new game. Yes, I remember Tristram was the original town, and that music was so good. save. I'm gonna hit save and exit because I want to see. Oh, that's my character. Okay. The Sister's Lament. Hi, Gonzo Cookie. Hello, welcome. Good to see you. Also get excited. Yeah. Sound someday too. Wait, Chris. Oh, wait, are you talking about Muttley? You have to watch all the cutscenes in this game. Okay, let's see. Let's watch. Ominous music plays. Recipsol, hello, welcome. I don't know what to expect. Who's that? My God, these graphics are gorgeous. Morius?
Oh, thanks for the follow.
Thank you so much for the person that followed. I do, Gonzo Cookie. I wanted to get dressed up for this. Who this?
So, Marius, at last I find you.
Tyrael, yes, now I recognize you. I should have known you'd travel in disguise. They're always watching.
I've been searching for you for a long time, Marius. I was rather beginning to think you didn't want to be found.
Oh, forgive me, Tyrael, please. It wasn't my fault.
Not your fault. Tell me, Marius, how was it not your fault?
The Wanderer. Yes, it was the Wanderer. My days at the Rogue Citadel.
Oh, thank you, Thor. Thank you.
Ago,
No, that good. Thank you for letting me know.
Refuge from my memories in the company of other outcasts, high in the mountains past the Eastern Gate.
Okay. Chat, can you remind me who Morius is? The name is familiar, but I just can't remember.
Oh, I fought sleep for days at a time. For when I dreamt, the memories would return. Memories of the monastery and the evil which had claimed it. Dreams, memories. I couldn't tell the difference anymore.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so he's new. Okay. He's from this game. Okay.
And the evil from my dreams followed me at my heels. How had he found me here? How could this broken shell of a man, barely able to carry the weight of his own sword, be the burning terror which drove me to hide here?
Ooh.
He seemed to have demons of his own.
Uh-oh.
He struggled to contain.
Uh-oh.
losing.
Uh-oh. You stop laughing real fast.
As I watched, I became convinced that I was truly mad. The terror, the destruction, the evil I witnessed. How else could I explain them?
Hi, R-Knight.
Were
Hello.
these the demons from my dream, or were they born within the wonder?
Was it? He didn't deserve that! He didn't deserve that, Chad!
Oh no. He's like, I'm never smoking that again. Oh my god. Oh, he's like, where am I? Why did he survive? Look at all the blood.
I don't know. Why do things happen as they do in dreams? All I know is that when he beckoned, I had to follow him. And from that moment, we traveled together.
He went with him?
Always. Into the east.
Whoa. That was pretty good. Hi, R-Knight. Hello. Hello. What is Legacy Cinematics? Okay, let's leave that checked. Flames whooshing. Guess you could say he feels a bit burnt because of today's events. Bum bum ba-dum. Alright, let's do it. Let's play. The demons go home at the end. I know, right? They're like, we're done here. Alright, let's go back. This is the original graphics of the cinematics. I'm not cosplaying as anyone. I just had this like tiara and I was like, oh, let me just do a little look with it. And I had this corset and I was like, maybe this would go nice together. Yeah. Zelda vibes, yeah. Sailor Ash, yeah. Exactly. Exactly. Where's my wand? I don't have one. That I need to get one. A Pulroon. Some days you just gotta dress like a princess. Exactly. Hi, Black Caesar. How are you? Welcome. Okay.
Where can I take you?
Gossip? What happens if I gossip? Ash is a queen from Queens. Now that's true. It will be sent to a P.O. box. Okay, I love that. I love that. Hi, Namolki. Hello.
It's easy to become lost in the wilderness on the way to the Citadel. After you have come to the Cairn Stones, you must remember that the path continues through the caves.
Yeah, you're actually Zelda. I knew it. Oh, I love that song. My private stash. Oh, neat. Awesome. Your first Diablo was Diablo 3? I saw you trying to get fan. Oh my gosh, so many cool RPGs on DS. I have tons of RPGs on DS by Atlas. Yeah. Yeah. Stash is way bigger than Lord of Destruction. Hi, Neganova. Hello. Yeah, RPG. Yeah. I know this music is so good.
Well, well. I never expected to see an Amazon in these lands. You're very brave to have come here. Many of my fellow sisters have fallen under some dark spell, and if you're not careful, you may fall prey to it as well.
Okay.
Well,
Okay.
perhaps Tristram deserved its fate for letting evil loose upon the land. I only hope we don't suffer the same.
You can press R to run. Oh, neat! I'm so used to just walking everywhere. Can I pet the chicken? Rogue encampment waypoint. Who are you? Can I talk to you? No. Yeah, I have the legacy graphics on because I wanted to play it like this for a little while and see what it was like. A cow! Yin Yarbin Destroyer, how are you? They meant to say your Zeldas. I'm gonna put my tiara up here because it's hurting my head a little bit. Hold on. To fix it. I was like, why does my head hurt so bad? And then I was like, wait, I'm wearing a tiara. That's why. There we go. Let me see. Okay, yeah, still good. Still good if I wear it up here. Okay. It's not heavy, it's just tight. It's tight.
Hello.
Hello, King Leo. Hello.
I am Akara, High Priestess of the Sisterhood of the Sightless Eye. I welcome you, traveler, to our camp, but I'm afraid I can offer you but poor shelter within these rickety walls. You see, our ancient sisterhood has fallen under a strange curse. The mighty, there is a place
Oops,
of
I
great
didn't mean to
evil
press
in the
that.
wilderness. Oh,
Wait, hold on.
greetings. I am Akara, High Priestess of the Sisterhood of the Sightless Eye. I welcome you, traveler, to our camp, but I'm afraid I can offer you but poor shelter within these rickety walls. You see, our ancient sisterhood has fallen under a strange curse. The mighty citadel, from which we have guarded the gates to the east for generations, has been corrupted by the evil demoness Andariel. I still can't believe it. But she turned many of our sister rogues against us and drove us from our ancestral home. Now the last defenders of the sisterhood are either dead or scattered throughout the wilderness. I implore you, stranger, please help us. Find a way to lift this terrible curse, and we will pledge our loyalty to you for all time.
You had this game on your Switch? Zelda was Link's sister or cousin? Was the translation error? Nova, thank you for the 10 stream streak. Thank you so much. The Atlas game I played, Etrian Odyssey 2, I have both of those. Etrian Odyssey and Lost in Blue, yeah. Okay.
I should add that many rogue scouts have died in that horrible place. We cannot afford to lose any more. If you choose to enter that den of evil, you must do so alone.
I'll enter the den of evil.
To be honest, I have done my best to stay clear of Geed. He wears dishonesty about himself like a cloak, and seeks only to better his situation by preying on the misfortunes of others.
Imagine being named Geed, chat. Oh, brother. Running doesn't take any stamina away, does it? Hi, Olg Gnawbone. This is my first time playing Diablo 2 ever. I changed my name. Not in towns, right? I have... That's your name, Retro Roadshow. Is that why you turned to a life of stealing wallets? You can trade with her? Yeah, I've never ever played this game before. You can trade with her outside of camp. Lays on therapy couch. Oh, I love the cows all over the place. How do I see the map? Whoops. Well, I didn't mean to do that. I don't think you say the G in Olnabo's name. Got you. Got you. Thank you, Nova. Olnabone. Thank you for correcting me on that. It all started in 3rd grade. Hi, baby Spock. Is this a scary game? I don't think Diablo is scary. No, you can trade with her inside the camp. You lose stamina when you leave the camp. Press M. A stylized version of Old Gnawbone, but it's more like Old Gnawbone. Oh, got it. Thank you for letting me know. Noah like to chew. Thank you. Can I go in here and steal? I don't want to steal, actually. Oh, there's Geed.
Good day to you, partner. I'm Geed, and I can already tell that I'll be your best friend in this forsaken camp.
Oh, is that right?
A spare weapon, some gold, a small gem is all I want in exchange for the equipment you'll need on whatever quest you might undertake. No, don't be shy. All of my items are guaranteed for life and come with a 2-day warranty.
Blood Omen might be considered a scary game, but you're the scary one. It's his regal name, the name of a prince. Gamble? What does gamble mean? The tab is the map? Oh, thank you. Thank you. The colors are so dark, it's hard to see what's happening. Is it better like this? You can see the item type, but it randomly generates something of that type. Okay.
May I help you?
Trade. Ooh. Okay, I'm not gonna buy anything because this stuff is probably stuff that I don't really need right now. Javelin. And I don't have any money anyhow. Okay. Yeah, if you press G, you can switch styles. Isn't that cool? Haven't played this version yet? There's tabs on the lower bottom of your screen. Okay. Healing, message, skill tree. Oh, this is the skill tree you were talking about. Got it. Okay. Inventory. A. Ah, okay. Neat. Like fate to you? Inventory. Skill tree, auto map. Oh, it's also mouse 3. Okay, cool. That's great. Quest log. Look for den in the wilderness outside the rogues camp. Okay. Now you can actually run. I know, isn't that cool? Diablo 2 is considered retro. When did Diablo 2 release? Washington. My first character was a Boazon, but the top is a Javazon, is stronger, but both builds hinge on a weapon. 1998? Alright, so let's see, where am I supposed to go? I guess outside, huh? Is there a, chat, is there like a quick button for saving? Is there like a quick save button? 2000 for Diablo 2. Game now has a way to reset your skill points so you're not totally committed. You can change later. OG stuck with it. No saves on exit. Save only on exit. Oh my god. I can't save scum. Hi, Tex. Alright. I can't save scum, chat. Entering Bloodmoor.
I shall purge this land of the shadow.
Oh, is that my voice? I shall purge this land of the shadow. Where am I? No saves coming in Diablo except for farming items. Okay. When you load a game, you just start back at camp. Oh, there is stamina. Can I fight this demon? Is that bad? Save scum is illegal if you hit the numbers on your numpad. Should say other stuff. Oh, that was easy. I'm gonna kill them all. They were probably just minding their business too. Hi, Lab Wolf. Welcome. So running takes stamina. Those are your friends? Hold shift while fighting. Oh, to stand still. Thank you. Thank you, Twisted Mentat. Ash the murderer back at it again. No, they needed to die. They don't drop presents? There we go. There we go.
Stop right there, criminal scum.
You can most of the time follow the road. They were just out for a picnic. Need is such a strong word in this case. Listen, I what can I tell you? What's in here? Chest? Ooh. A short staff. Chat, y'all don't know. Diablo 1 is what started my loot goblin ways. I don't want to roll up to those zombies like that. Can I aggro them to come over here? Separate them at least? There's a lot over there. Alright, I'm gonna kill him. Die. He needed to die. Started my loot goblin ways too. While she walking, like she need the bathroom. D2 is all about the loot. You should be able to throw. How do you throw your weapon? I got a sash. Dead rogue. Where'd the other one go? Come here. Give me the loot. Diablo 1 made you want a PC. Mac, I saw you playing Power Slave today. Mac, I saw you playing Power Slave today. It looked really cool. Or was it Exhumed Power Slave? The left button. Oh. Your health? I need to rebind throw. Got it. Don't you even dare. Why was that zombie carrying gold on him? If I throw my weapon though, do I lose it? I got a potion. Hold down shift. No, shift just makes me stop walking. Hi, Ackerman. Stabby, stabby. It was called Exhumed in Europe and Power Slave in North America. I think a probably licensing issue. Yeah. It's a cool game. It's really fun. There's a quantity count that goes down. It'll show you the quantity, and repairing replenishes it. 89. Okay. Yeah. 16 of 20. 1 to 6. I'm gonna sell that. Scroll I have identified. Town portal. Fulminating potion. Whoa. That's neat. Oh, she automatically equipped the sash. Wait, is there a day-night cycle? Did it become dark because it's nighttime? Stay a while and listen. Hi, Saka. Oh, snap. Wait, let me go back to the town. I don't want to be out in the rain and the cold. Looks like rain. Will I get sick if I'm out in the rain? Entering the rogue encampment. I like that it, like, doesn't let you use your weapon. Oh, and you don't lose stamina when you run in the town. I hope your boots get muddy. Wow. Diablo 2 was groundbreaking for its time. You can choose a different skill spell for that button. Oh, wait. If you left click on the icon next to your HP, your mana. Oh, okay. Keeps recharging the town floor so you don't lose stamina. Press attack icon on the right bottom screen. Your available skills should come up, including throw. If you hover over throw and press one of the F buttons, you will bind it to that button. Okay. Saying TP as town portal, playing online. The big arrows, these arrows. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Wait, there was something that I wanted to do. One near your HP's left click attack, then one near your mana's right click. Oh, okay. No. It was something on my overlay. I wanted to move, hold on. I wanted to move the sub goal. Because it was kind of in the way of the text box. It was in the way of the text box. So I'm gonna move it over here. Which, by the way, chat, ads are about to play, but we are only 12 subscribers away from our next sub goal. And our next sub goal, if we make 200 subscribers, I'll do a room tour and show you all the cool things that are in my room. All the cool things, even the sides of the walls you can't see. You'll get to see all of that. There's a lot to see. So if we make it there, that's what we'll do. And if you like what you're seeing, you like Bobby emotes, you can subscribe and support the channel. Bobby, she just jumped down on the floor. Okay. Oh, do I have money now, actually? Whoops. I have 17 gold. Never mind. Hi, Tactical Ghost. Hello, good to see you. How are you today? I'm playing Diablo 2 for the first time ever. Oh, where does... Ooh. We're in the rogue encampment now, right? Yeah, so I love Diablo 1. We'll get to see the fourth wall, exactly. I love Diablo 1. And I've never, ever played Diablo 2. So I wanted to try it. I wanted to play it. So we're playing the version where you can switch between the graphics. It's so cool. Come here, baby. Come here, pretty. Come here, Bobby. She wants to see Diablo. She wants to see, chat. Bobby said hi to y'all. This big unit, hello, welcome. I remember when I first played Diablo 2, not wanting to leave town during the night cycle a lot. Game had me so immersed. Ashes, hello, welcome. Is that the true Lord of Terra? It is. It is. What kind of Zon are you making? What's a Zon? What's a Zon? Look at this girl. Look. What's a Zon? Miadani. Oh, Amazon. Oh. Yeah, no, I don't know. I never played this, so I didn't even know I could make a different kind. I didn't even know I could make different kinds. Like what kind of Amazons can you make? Chat, I'm pausing here because ads are playing ads are gonna play right now. Oh, and the skill tree. Oh. Okay, wait. Whoops. Stop running. I don't know yet. Javelin and spear, passive magic, bow and crossbow. Ooh, I think I like bows, but the javelin seems cool. What you focus on? Yeah, no, I think that the bow and arrow sounds cool, but I don't know, javelin sounds awesome too. Every class has 3 skill trees. Most of them are their own builds, but focusing on one.
Howdy ho! Did you just give a whole load of subs? That's wonderful! Thanks for spreading so much cheer. Okay, I'll see you later.
Thank you so much, this big unit, for gifting up 5 tier 1 subs. Hi, Duke. Duke, how was your stream? I saw you playing games today. Matt, thank you for the 25 bits. Thank you so much, this big unit, for gifting out 5 tier 1 subs. Now we're only 7 subscribers away from our 200 goal. At least he didn't get runny. It's true. It's true. Ads are playing right now. So we're gonna pause. Duke, how are you? Welcome. Duke Donuts was streaming today. I'm playing cool video games. Bobby is now laying on my lap, chat. Here she is. Look at this. Look at that. What a girl. What a girl. Thank you. This big unit, thank you so much. That was really kind of you. But yeah, we're just, you know, enjoying some Diablo 2. But we're gonna pause here. We're gonna pause here. Duke Donuts arrive. The precious loaf. Your wife says that she loves Bobby. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, she's the best. She's the sweetest girl. And she's just here chilling, you know? Ads are gonna be over in about a minute, chat. Ads are gonna be over in about a minute. Oh my gosh, Yo Soy Epic. It's so cool seeing someone with that subscriber badge. I remember when I first uploaded all of them and I was like, imagine when I get to like year 8 and 9. No ads for you, Nick. Thank you for subscribing with Prime. Thank you. But yeah, I really appreciate you all being here and going on this Diablo journey with me. It seems like people are really passionate about this game, and I understand, you know? I understand. The music is so good. The music is incredible. I love how atmospheric it is. All right, chat. Ads are about to end. I think I might go with Javelin and Spear, Amazon. I don't think I'm gonna do passive magic. Tristram music is so good. Welcome back if you got hit with the ads. Welcome back. Hi, Will. Also, Duke, I don't know if you can hear me now, but welcome in. Welcome, welcome. You'll want some of the skills in the passive tree? Yeah, good to see you, Will. Good to see you as well. Okay, let's see what's in the passive. Inner sight illuminates nearby enemies, making them easier to hit. Ooh. Slow missile. Ranged attack, slowed to 68. Decoy gives a duplicate of yourself that draws fire from enemies. Quantum Pause, thank you so much for the tier 1 sub for 3 months. Passive on Amazon is good, like dodge. And Valkyrie summons a powerful Valkyrie ally. You've not learned to evade, avoid, dodge, critical strike, penetrate, pierce. Attacks with a series of rapid thrusts using a javelin or spear class weapon. Okay. Impale. Ooh, I like that. Fend. Okay. Alright, let's close the skill tree. Now, I am supposed to be going out here to find where I need to go, right? Poke a few demons, check out the bow. Yeah, definitely gonna check out the bow.
Why am I paying these fees?
Why am I paying these fees, baby Spock? I never know. Thank you for the 91 bits, by the way. Give me that gold. Oops. I gotta hold shift. I gotta remember about holding shift. Okay, and y'all said... Oh, pick that up. Oh, there we go. Throw. Neat. Okay, okay. We did it. Find the Den of Evil. Okay. All right, let's test it out. What? Yo. That was actually kind of dope. How dare you? Neat. Dang. Hi, Multi Gunman. We're having such a good time. How are you? This is fun. Give him the old poke. Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, I got arrows, chat. I got arrows. Quilted armor. I like how he just goes. Oh my god, Duke. Hello, welcome in, by the way. I hope your stream went well today. This is really fun. It'll show you everything that's on the ground. Oh, okay, good to know. Hi, Andrew. Hello. I've never played this game before, Duke, and right now I'm loving stabbing everything. This is very satisfying. How dare you hide in the bush and then attack me? So rude. Well, very well. I made a bunch of good progress in Kingsfield. Oh, there's the Den of Evil. Chat, we found it. We found the Den of Evil. What's that? Oh. Thought the bush was poisoning me? No, there was some evil enemy in the bush. Bobby, where are you going? Okay, are you leaving? Okay, she left. I'm glad your stream went well, Duke. Everyone make sure to go and check out Duke Donuts.
Howdy ho! Did you just give a whole load of subs? That's wonderful! Thanks for spreading so much cheer. Okay, I'll see you later.
Thank you so much for gifting that tier 1 sub, this big unit, bringing us to 195 subscribers. If we make 5 more, we'll be able to do the room tour. Thank you so much. That was really generous of you. Thank you. Oh, who this?
Turn back. I can tell that you need more experience to fight safely in the next wilderness.
Oh.
Halt. You should complete Akara's quest before venturing further. Search for the den in the wilderness closer to camp.
Thank you so much, this big unit, for gifting that tier 1 sub. Only 5 more subs to go. Thank you so much. Ooh, superior short bow. That voice sounded familiar. She was cool. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, let me check my inventory. I can't wear this. I can't use this yet. Oh, it's unidentified as well. I probably shouldn't have even. Ooh, a bow? And how many arrows do I have? 238? That's what the scrolls are for? Oh, scroll of identify? Satisfying. Yeah, thank you so much, everyone, for supporting my channel. Thank you for being here, and thank you for watching Diablo 2.
Howdy ho! Did you just give a whole load of subs? That's wonderful! Thanks for spreading so much cheer. Okay, I'll see you later.
Hold on a minute. Thank you for gifting 5 tier 1 subs. We made our goal of 200 subscribers. So next stream will be the room tour.
Howdy ho! Did you just give a whole load of subs? That's wonderful! Thanks for spreading so much cheer. Okay, I'll see you later.
Thank you, Washington, for gifting 5 more tier 1 subs. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. We did it. Me too, Chris. Thank you, Washington, Wooden Hooligan, this big unit. Oh my gosh. Thank you for getting us past our goal. The next goal. Oh my God. I don't even remember what the next goal is going to be. Hold on. The next goal. Oh my gosh. Let me see. Thank you so much, y'all. I know, gonna shed a tear. Thank you. Thank you, Phoenix. Thank you so much. That's really nice of you. Thank you. Okay, let me see. So at 250 subscribers, we'll do a Nintendo 3DS day where we play all Nintendo 3DS games all day. That's the next goal. I'll update the goal tracker after this stream. But that's the next goal. Thank you so much, y'all. That was really awesome. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Yay! So expect a room tour stream on Thursday. Stamina potion. So I can get these fighting games. Yeah, fighting game day. It's gonna be really fun. Okay. Wait, let me try out what the bow looks like. Okay.
I can't.
Okay, I see. Let's see if there's an enemy that I can shoot. That's fun. This is great. Chat, I don't know. I don't know which one I like more. Ooh, what's that? Hold on. Wait, I think I'm too far away. Nope. What was that? Treasure? Nothing! Nice. If Ash were a princess, what special power would she have? I would have the power to talk to animals and learn the secrets of nature. You can toggle between two weapon sets by pressing W. Oh, that's so dope. Oh, neat. Oh, that's amazing. Fish head, roly poly fish head, eat 'em up, yum. Oh my god, that's so cool. Wait, hold on, I want to move this like this. You gotta work your inventory, you know? Okay, neat. And then I'm gonna switch this to throw, and that little number there tells us how much we have left. This is great. You can have the ball on one and the javelin on the other. I love that. This is so cool. Thank you. I'm very happy. Uh-oh. What is this? Refilling shrine? I feel refreshed. What the heck is a refilling shrine?
Hey, it's Dr. Mario. Don't forget to take your vitamins. Make sure to stretch and drink water. Oh, and thanks for the follow.
Thanks for the follow. Hi, Emil. Hello. Thank you so much. Just kill everything. This is fun. What's a skill shrine? You feel more skillful? Whoa! I feel more skillful, chat. This is really fun. I'm glad I chose to play this today. Bolts. I'm gonna kill all of them. Loose boulder? Money! Get wrecked. I like clicking them and poking them. I wonder if there... What's this? Superior dagger and buckler. I wonder if there was a loose stone on this side. Yeah. Minor healing potion. Okay, I should probably go back and do that thing with the cave. Or should I go back to town and sell some of my crap? Chat, should I go back to town and sell some of my crap? Right? More enemies? Thank you so much for the person that followed. You'll fill up in the dent. Yeah, so I should probably go back and sell crap. Yeah. Identify, good idea. Should I use the scrolls to identify, or should I keep the scrolls for when I'm in the cave? Don't forget to hold shift if there's a lot of good stuff on the ground. Okay.
Not in town.
Hi, Paul. Welcome. You can buy more from Akara, use them to sell the magic items. Okay. So, scroll of identify. Let's identify this. Attacker takes damage of 1. Okay. Well, I'm gonna sell this because this is assassin only. Chance of block, durability 7 of 12. Okay. Defense 10, defense 12. Oh, this is a better defense. But the durability is better here. I'm gonna sell that. Quilted armor of thorns. 60% damage to undead. Ooh, interesting. Okay. All right, cool. Okay, let's go to Geed and sell some stuff. How do I sell? Oh, there we go. You can see how changing equips your percent chance to defend hit. Is there a level up button hiding under your sub goal? Oh, is there a level up, like my character level up? Oh, yeah, I can, yeah. Twisted Mentat, yeah. I dinged at least twice? Oops. I did, you're right. I did. Y'all are right, chat. Y'all are right. Bobby. Oh, she's laying on the floor. I wish you could see how cute she is. Okay. So... I have 10 points remaining. Let's raise everything up by 1. Let's raise our vitality up a little bit. And our strength. Energy. Oh, energy is really for magic, right? I guess it's not bad to have a little bit. And strength. Okay.
You are cursed.
Why did I get cursed? Hi, Mira. It's good to see you. Welcome in. How's your day going? Hope you're having a good one. Thank you for coming in and saying hi. We made our sub goal today from our generous subscribers, people gifting subs. So the next stream is going to be a room tour stream, and I'm really looking forward to doing that. I use StreamerBot, James. I use StreamerBot, and I'm going to work on doing some things on the Twitch alerts because I have access to custom power-ups. Yeah, room tour. I lost track of time, missed a bunch of streams today. I didn't even hear my Discord notification. Oh my gosh. I hear that. I hear that. I had a bit of a busy day myself. And I had to go to the doctor and stuff, but it was good. Alexa, Playhouse tour. I know, Zelda got cursed. Okay. Now, do I have access to add things to my skill tree? I can pick one. Chat, I can pick one. What do you think I should pick as a first-time player of this game? Should I pick...
Hey everyone, this is Link, and I can totally talk now. Hahaha, that's because I wanted to be able to tell you, thanks for rating the channel. Okay, see you later.
See you later. Chat, I can pick one. Hi, Adrian. Hi, Cyrene. Hi. Hi, Twaffo. Adrian is literally one of my favorite people ever. Thank you, Cyrene. I got it on Amazon. Welcome, Raiders. Please, 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 please do me a huge favor and give Okadrian a follow. Hi, Yairu. Welcome in. Chaboy Chrono. Welcome in. Thank you, Mira. Thank you, Cyrene. I figured if I'm playing Diablo, I might as well, you know,
Thanks for the follow.
I wanted to dress up like a magic user, Amazon kind of thing. Yeah, an Amazon purchase. Adrian, how was your broadcast? How was... Oh, you were playing Knights of the Old Republic? Okay, are you a Sith Lord or are you a Jedi? What do you... What? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Adrian, what color is your lightsaber? What color is your lightsaber? Uh-oh. Adrian sweats. How many younglings today had to perish at your hands? I stream it from Xbox, not the side-eye Cyrene. Does my lightsaber change color today? Everyone, please go and give Okadrian a follow, who is very, very, very talented. So knowledgeable, smart, great conversations, fun to hang out with, does like handheld streams sometimes, and like knows a lot about retro gaming, and is just, knows a lot about...
Howdy ho! Did you just give a whole load of subs? That's wonderful! Thanks for spreading so much cheer. Okay, I'll see you later.
Thank you so much, Big Unit, for gifting a tier 1 sub to Alex. Thank you. I was talking to myself for 30 minutes. Bye, Mr. Hinky. Enjoy your emotes. Knows a lot about retro gaming. Takes one to know one. Wow, Mira. Yeah, Adrian's the best. Okay, so tell me about what you did in KOTOR. Can you remind me with that Danessa Myrix eyeshadow? Oh, the Danessa Myrix, it's the glitter flakes. It's the glitter flakes, Cyrene. I just told you. Oh my god, wait, hold on. Let me scroll up. I thought I pressed, okay, wait, on Xbox. I was playing Enter the Matrix on Xbox, but I thought I pressed start stream. I didn't. So I was talking to myself for 30 minutes. It's a pot, Cyrene. Then I went live after everyone was worried about me. Thankfully, someone messaged him. Well, I started playing the Matrix. Okay, got you. You know what's funny? We were talking about the Museum of the Academy of the Museum of the Academy of the Academy Awards Museum, basically. And I was telling everyone one of my favorite things that I saw while I was there was Morpheus's outfit. They had his whole outfit at that museum. I thought it was really cool. Then I chose Jada Pinkett, but the game wouldn't load because it's racist. I hate it here. No, not the self-stream. Oh my god. Well, even more reason to follow Adrian. Because he's funny. Adrian is the best. Thank you. I chose Ghost. Game loaded. Wow. That it crashed after 2 hours. Oh my gosh. That is a series of events.
Fox McCloud here, saying thanks for rating the channel.
Is that world famous streamer Das Good? Oh my gosh, rating my channel? Yo! Das, how was Dead by Daylight? Das is so cool. Really, really fun to hang out with. Knows a lot about... Is this Twitch Ambassador Lady of Terror? Listen, we're already killing all the demons and zombies today. This is my first time playing Diablo. So welcome in Ocadrian Raiders, welcome in Das Good Raiders. My name is Ash. I play retro games and Nintendo games. Today we're playing Diablo 2, the resurrected version, which means we could toggle between classic visuals and the updated visuals. It's really fun. I'm loving this so far. We leveled up. I picked the Amazon. That's what we're playing as today. I never played this game before ever. I've only ever played Diablo 1, and so we're having a good time. The toggle is so choice. Please make sure to go and give Dasgood a follow. You will laugh. You will have a good time. It's like a party in there all the time. Libby Lou, it is very nice to meet you as well. Welcome on in. Welcome. Demons and zombies, are you killing my minions? Just a little bit today, Mira. Just a little bit. Okay, Adrian, and everybody in chat, what is your favorite Matrix movie? I played Diablo 1. I played the entire game, Cyrene. Diablo 1 is my comfort. I love that game so much. Animatrix, yes, that counts. They're already... Demons and zombies, they're already dead. The first Matrix... ATL DreamHack host Ash said hi. It's true. Thank you, Adrian. I remember watching my dad beat the first one, PS1, the Golden Gamer. Do you guys know with Amazon Prime you could also get a Twitch Prime sub? That is so true, Das. Thank you for reminding chat. One is your favorite, Brother Bill. I said mice to meet you. That is, Chris, that is actually very cute and funny. The Matrix 1. You've only ever seen the first Matrix movie? Very nice. I never played the older Diablos. Yeah, they're so fun. Cyrene. Okay, look.
Did someone just subscribe? Wow, what a great supporter. Now the channel gets to live on and I get to do more evil.
Badgie? How could you say that? Badgie, it's good when people subscribe. Don't talk about doing evil. I haven't seen them all. I need to check out Animatrix. I heard Animatrix is amazing. I never got to see it. Cyrene, thank you for the brand new tier 1 sub. If we get to 250 subscribers, so we just made 200 subscribers tonight, which means we made our goal to do a room tour. So on Thursday, we're going to do a room tour stream. If we get to 250 subscribers, we're going to do an all DS stream day. All DS games all day long. And it's going to be really fun because out of my entire collection of DS games, that's like the biggest amount of games I have. Thank you so much to the person followed. So we need 43 more. 43 more, yeah. I have Matrix 1 through 4 in a steel box set, and I need to see Animatrix. I need to see Animatrix too. I saw the Matrix 1, 2, and 3 in the theater. I did with my dad. And I remember liking 1 and 2, but I don't remember liking 3 all that much. Okay, let's talk to Geed. I'm gonna sell this armor. I'm gonna sell this. And I'm gonna sell these things here. I don't think I'm gonna use that. Bolts. You need a crossbow for the bolt, right? You need a crossbow for that. I don't think I'm gonna use a crossbow unless I should hold it. 3 took me 5 tries to get through. Yeah, I don't remember not a single thing about it. There's a shortcut to selling instead. Shift. Okay, let me see if that worked. Oops, nope, that didn't work. Nope, shift. When I held shift, it made it equip. Oh gosh. Shift click. No, that's what made it do what it just did. Okay, I'm gonna sell this. It's okay. It's okay, Gnawbone.
It didn't work.
It didn't work. That's true. It's true. I like 3 mainly because it gave some closure until 4. 1 is absolutely the best, groundbreaking. 4 I love because it clarifies all the haters that Matrix was always a transgender allegory. Yeah, that makes sense. Wait, I'm gonna sell this. I don't think I should be using a dagger as the Amazon, right, chat? Control click, let's try that. That work. Wait, no? Yes, that worked. It was control. Yeah. Thank you. And let's sell this because obviously that's assassin only, so we can't use that. We'll keep these. Potions can't stack, right? I wish they could. We need to identify this. Seven of 12, 11 of 12. Yeah, we're gonna sell that. We need to identify that. I should probably buy some scrolls of identify, right? But potion slots depend on the type of belt you have equipped. Meow mix. I love chicken. I love liver. Meow mix, please deliver. All right, let's see if I can get this identified.
Yes?
Oh, I can put stuff in my stash, right? Huh. And I could put gold in there. If I die, do I lose all my gold, chat? You can spring for tomes. I don't remember. You drop all the gold you're holding. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see. Maybe she can identify?
Good day.
Ooh, scroll of identify is 80. Town portal, tome of identify. Oh, so then I can learn the identify spell. Not all the gold. I get a book of identify and put the scrolls of identify in it. Saves on space. Hi, TARDIS. That's smart. Okay. To run back to grab your stuff. The tome holds the scrolls, but it isn't a skill in this one. Oh. Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna spend money on this stuff yet. Let's go back to the cave. Let's go back to the cave. And then we'll... I want to try and traverse... I want to traverse the cave a little bit. I feel like... Ooh, don't you dare. How dare you? Mad rude. I already forgot how to toggle to my other weapon. Oh, W. There we go. Cap. I think the wall got him. I like how they explode. Are we gonna have to sort out an allegory in the cave? I don't know. I didn't know. Find it in the Castle Anthrax first. Okay. What did I just pick up? Oh, a cap. Oh, it automatically equipped. Nice. All right, let's go into the Den of Evil. Wait, I want to see
foul creatures about.
I hear foul creatures about. Whoa, look at that, chat. Sorry for shouting. Kill all the monsters in the den. Okay. What's that? No. What is that? I'm scared. That was a gargantuan beast. Oh, I killed him. Okay. Oh, he wasn't anything bad. Diablo's poopy. I was scared. One shot kill. Let's go. We're strong, chat. We're strong. Experience shrine. Your experience teaches you well. Wait, I have a question, chat. Remember in Diablo 1, sometimes you could touch these things and bad things can happen to you? Does that exist in this game? Necromancer have 10 minions. They just kill everything. Nice. I was thinking about the Necromancer. There's a few, but not as many. Oh my gosh. Okay, got it. Hey. See how they roll up on me like that? They should know better than that. They should know better than that. Just roll up on me. Wait, he came back to life. They come back to life? Why are they coming back to life?
Oh, thanks for the raid.
Whoa, thanks for the raid. Gamers Uplink, hello, welcome in. Thank you so much. Necromancer. Lining up to get stabbed. Thank you so much. Gamers Uplink plays lots of retro games and is very cool and very awesome. Hi, Mora. Gamers Uplink crushed it. What did you do today? What did you play? I hope you had a good time. I'm sure you did. If you've never been here, my name is Ash. I play retro games and Nintendo games, and today we're playing Diablo 2. It's my first time ever. I've never played it before, and I'm really enjoying it. Super Mario World 2. Oh, awesome. Awesome. Is it a first time playthrough? Are we punning again? Oh dear. What did Telepathetic say? I missed it. Oh, the Necromancer. Oh my god. Y'all are so funny. Oh my. You gotta take out the shaman. Otherwise it'll be endless. Oh. But never got into it. So now playing through. Oh, fun. Okay, I killed that. I killed it. Oh god, he came back. How dare you? I should be able to get experience points for killing them that many times. Are you the shaman? Got him. And he's running away. There's another one over there. See, those stayed dead. Oh, I guess there's multiple shaman. Got him. So that particular shaman keeps those alive. Got it. The dude with the stick. Yeah. You only get the XP the first time. Dag. Missed opportunity for me. Wait, what did that say? Oh, I picked up some leather gloves. Nice. But you can farm puns for XP as long as chat keeps spawning them. Wow, Mira. Wowie zowie. Now, chat, when you play this game, do you play with the map on the screen all the time? Or do you like the map turned off? How do you like to play? Money! I like the map one too. I like the map one too. Give me the money. Where are you going? I like the map, but I haven't played it. Think you can adjust the opacity in the options. Oh, cool. Yes, you can toggle the map by pressing tab. Yeah. I'd leave it on. Map off because I like getting lost and finding stuff. It is pretty fun. Got him. Okay. That was easier than I thought it would be with a gargantuan. Yeah, it was pretty easy. And when I started this game, it wasn't like there was like difficulties to choose from. It was just start the game pretty much. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Map off is hard, yeah. Gotta beat the game to change difficulty. Did you choose your weapon? I got a javelin automatically when I started. You gotta beat it on 3 difficulties. Oh, it works well. Yeah, I'm really enjoying this. Wait, let me see. Next level, experience 2676, and I'm at, okay, that's the next level. Okay. I was just curious. Okay, I like making sure that I explore the whole map, chat. I'm a loot goblin, and I can't leave any treasure behind. You know? So if you're wondering why am I going in circles... all the treasure. Map toggling medium. Yeah, yeah. That makes sense. Okay. Do the bolts stack? They don't. It's kind of silly, but... inventory management. Okay. They stack up to 250. I try my bestest to resist. Oh, it's hard, you know? Thanks for watching me play this game for the first time ever. Some of them are just way too unforgiving, like OG RE4. Yeah. Telepathetic was talking about playing Resident Evil on the hardest difficulty and how tough that was. Uh-oh. I see some enemies over there. Wait, did I go this way? No. It's kind of cozy. It is cozy, right? Cozy Diablo. Cozy Diablo. Okay. Even though the music is a little scary, it's kind of comfy. I've never played Titan Quest. Diablo 2 in high school, dangerous combination. Wow, there sure are a lot of these gargantuan beasts. I heard something. Okay, I lost some health, but that's okay. A ring. I found a ring, chat. There's something sparkling over here too. Oh, it's damaged leather armor. You're nailing them though. Pew pew. That sounded expensive. I started playing Resident Evil 8 on hardcore and it was impossible. I wish I wasn't so sleepy. I want to play D4 now. What's your favorite aspect of Diablo 4? Ooh, look, we got a ring. Let's identify it. Azure ring, cold resist. Nice. Awesome. Did you hear the joke about the broom? It was sweeping the nation. Let me do some inventory management. No thinking, just loot. Exactly, Meow Mix. Oh my goodness. We got a cool ring. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Look, there's different kinds of zombies over here. Okay, let me backtrack a little bit. Good looting sounds, the tiny serotonin. It really does. It's so true. It's so true. Kill, kill, kill. Ooh. I think this goes back to where we were. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Okay. Undead Minion, undead. Undead Spectral hit. No, what are you doing, girl? Okay, I aggroed this one. Okay. Let's see if I could... Hold on. I'm gonna switch to my bow and arrow. No, no. Why is this one so strong? Okay, back to W. Okay. Oh my god, Prez! It's just one of my favorite people playing one of my favorite games ever. No big deal. Hi, Prez! Hello, how are you? Hi, Singularity. We're playing Diablo 2 for the first time ever. I've never played it before. We started off as the Amazon. I picked the Amazon. Uniques and champions are stronger. Oh, was that a unique? Cyrene. So I played Diablo 1 and I loved it. It was a comfort game to me. And I was just like, you know what? I think it's time for Diablo 2. I just had a feeling. I had a feeling I needed to play it. Yo, Azor, yes! And look, we could switch between the new graphics and the classic graphics. So yeah, I just thought, oh, what a feeling to play Diablo. Hi, Forest of Wires! Hello. How are you? Good to see you. Welcome in. Yeah, so you can press G. Look, you can press G and it'll go to the new graphics like this. My most played game of all time. You like playing the Druid? Okay. Let me see here. Let me see what happens if I... Oh my god. Hello? I missed. Okay, I'm gonna... Okay, wait. I'm gonna kill all these other ones first. Okay. I play D2 once a month, pretty much every single month. I love this. Nice. Okay, now I'm gonna try and kill this one, but from far away. We did it!
Perhaps now the sisters will trust me.
We did it, chat. We did it.
I can't carry anymore.
I can't carry anymore. Oh, I'm gonna get rid of that. Get out of here. We don't want that. Pro D2 player. Yo, let's go. Oh my gosh. Is Diablo 2 on sale? Chat, we did it. Look, there's so much light in here now because all the monsters have been cleansed. On BattleNet? Yeah, that's how I'm playing this. Return to Akara for a reward. Okay. We did it! It's now clean of monsters. We did it, chat. Yay! Get your weight up. It is there. It's a sale on BattleNet. Nice. Okay, wait. What was this I got? A one-handed damage scepter. Mace class. Fast attack. Okay, let's walk back. I don't want to waste my scrolls of town portal. I wonder if there's a mod out there to remove Diablo 4 Battle Pass and make it offline. You may want to skip white items for better ones because it'll take so much time vendoring everything. Oh, got it. Okay. I can give you some money tips for D2 if you're new. Hi, Silic. I am brand new. Hi, Silic. How are you? I love that so many people are so passionate about Diablo 2. This is really fun. I'm glad that I'm getting to share this with you all today. Oh, for Cinco de Mayo, did anybody else have any tacos for Taco Tuesday and Cinco de Mayo? You played this game so much. Use TP, they're super cheap. Oh, they are cheap? Okay. I didn't know if they were cheap or not. Whee! Let's do it. You're disappointed in Taco Bell. It's okay. You know, whatever you can get to. You know? What makes you happy? Diablo 1 was the second game I ever bought for myself on PC. I fell in love ever since. You made shrimp street tacos. You know what I love, chat? Elote. Taco de mayo. Yeah. You had homemade tacos today with chipotle sauce. I love that. Jack in the Box had 75-cent tacos. That is amazing. Yes, elote. Oh, no. That's okay, Twaffle. I gotta turn that down. I keep forgetting. 75 cents for 2? Yeah, beer, shots of tequila, and nachos. That sounds amazing. Okay, wait, did I gain a level, chat? Oh, I gained a level. Okay, chat. How do you think I should allocate my points? What, if you were playing in Amazon, how would you allocate your points? Yeah, 75 cents for 2 tacos. That's amazing. I feel like vitality and strength should be higher. What do you think? Strength, woo woo. Vitality early enough, strength to wear EQ, and enough dex to wear EQ. No energy. Okay. Strength only enough to equip gear, as little as possible in energy, then all dex and vitality. Okay. Okay. Vitality. Dex. Vitality, strength. Dex. I think that's how I'm gonna do it. I don't know, Silic. So I'm really enjoying the javelin, but I love bow and arrow as well. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure. Oh, I think I have some things to select in the skill tree. Okay, now this is really gonna decide whether or not I choose bow or the javelin. Well, as a beginner, is the bow better or the javelin? I love bow, but if you do javelin, you don't actually need dex for to hit because the javelin ability always hits. Oh. The right column in the passive tree is strong. The right column. Critical strike, penetrate, and pierce.
This is Princess Zelda, and I want to welcome in all the raiders. Hi!
Hi! Welcome in, raiders! Oh my gosh, thank you for the raid. Hi, Vegas! Hello, thank you so much for choosing our channel. Javelin, I think javelin. I think I might go to javelin. Dex also affects dodge chance. True. That one thing I didn't like for D2, the skill tree was complicated for me. Lightning, javelin, Amazons are very strong compared to bow. Okay, I think I might go with javelin. Yeah. I'm doing good. Everyone from my channel, please go and give Vegas23 a follow. Go and check out their channel. What did you do on your broadcast today? Aztec Forgotten Gods. What kind of game is that? Bobby is fine. She's right here. She's next to me. On the floor, though. She's not in her chair. All restaurants will nickel and dime me to death. Taco Bell included, so you make them at home. That makes sense. That makes sense. But welcome in. If you've never been here, my name is Ash. I play retro games and Nintendo games, and today we're playing Diablo 2. It's my first time ever, and it's so fun. Bariza, Windforce, and Titan's Revenge. I like playing Werewolf, DPs for Druid. Bear form is fun. Oh, Druid in this game? Okay, so I think I'm gonna stick with Javelin. Okay. Power Strike. Can I pick this? I'm trying to remember something I want to do for 10 minutes. It's bothering me. Cyrene. I hate when that happens. Oh my gosh. Vegas. Wait, Bobby heard you say her name. And she came to say hi. She came to say hi to you all, chat. Look at that baby. You can pick a skill early like Poison Javelin or Lightning Jab and reset your skills 3 times without anything else from Den of Evil. Oh, cool. Even if you start Javelin, you can swap. Okay, okay. That's good to know. Charge Strike and Lightning Fury, but this is much later. Okay. You have a tuxedo cat too? She has a mustache. Look at that. Oh, Libby Lou. Bobby always has something to say. She said, meow meow, where's my churro? Meow meow chat, where's my churro? Oh my gosh, Bobby. Wow. It's always churro time for Bobby. She said, meow meow, when are they gonna make a cat in Diablo? When is it gonna be a cat class in Diablo? That's a good question, Bobby. More here for them. I just took it off too. Telepathetic. I literally just took it off. Thank you, Singularity. That's a good point. That's a good point. Yeah. I love you, Bobby. Her name is Moonwind. Oh, I love that. My son named him. Libby Lou, that's really wonderful. I love that so much. I love that so much. Okay. Power Strike, Lightning Bolt, Poison, Impale. Okay. Let's see here. But you can get a cat mount in Diablo 4? Oh my god, that's amazing. Actually, press. Mother, here is another offering of fur for you, Mother. Oh no, she's funny. That is so cool. I'm loving the Diablo. Just seems like one of the best games created of all time. Chat, I noticed that y'all don't talk a lot about Diablo 3. I watched when you play original Diablo. Yeah, we talk a lot about Diablo 1 and Diablo 4, but nobody really talks a lot about Diablo 3. StarCraft is where it's at. Diablo 3 probably has a cat pet. There were so many. Aztec is an older action adventure game where you play as a young heroine. Wait, hold on, chat. And given the power of Aztecs, the gods save her world. Oh, Diablo 3 probably has a cat pet. Diablo who? Diablo 3? Diablo 3 is a game. Diablo 3 exists. No, so like my auto mod is very high. Diablo 3 is your favorite Diablo? You've been playing it since release? I have it. Diablo 4 shouldn't exist. Diablo 3 had a bad start, but the time an expansion came out is a lot better. One of people's biggest complaints is there's too much light. Oh. Oh, I see. Okay. So people feel very strongly. Critical Strike. I'm going to choose that. guess I need more points for the other stuff. Okay. Actually, like Diablo 3 more than D2. The skill tree was more accessible. D2 is the best. Okay, okay. So I'm learning today. All right. Now, chat, I have a question. I was really disappointed in the direction they took in Diablo 4. I had to skip it. The solid action game, I got better in the expansion, but I just didn't vibe with it. D4, I hate having to make a new character every season. So, chat, remember in Diablo 1, there was a guy that I could go up to and he would identify stuff? Hi, Hashira. Can you not do that in this one? But yeah, thank you, Vegas, for telling us about the game that you streamed today. D2 is the best, but D3 is very enjoyable. Oh, it comes later. Oh, okay, it comes later. Got it. Okay, okay. Okay, later. Okay, later. Okay. Okay, so I just have to buy scrolls then to identify stuff. Okay.
You have cleansed the den of evil. You've earned my trust, and may yet restore my faith in humanity. Your reward is training in the skill of your choice.
Ooh, she'll train me in the skill of my choice. Okay, so I need a scroll of identify and a scroll of identify. Okay. And another scroll. Okay. Some quests have rewards like that. Entire D3 with DLC is now $20. Very good price. Oh my god, is that Kano? Hi! Welcome! I'm playing Diablo 2 for the first time ever. It's nice to see you. Welcome in. Oh, ads.
These messages,
Ads are
we'll
playing.
be right back.
We're gonna pause for the ads, chat. I'm so sorry about that. Anybody who got hit with the ads, I really apologize. Some quests have rewards. Now it's scrolls. I'm gonna lurk. Okay, Cyrene, enjoy your lurk. Thank you so much, Cyrene. I did, Duke. We made it. We made it. Hi, Kano. Hello. Hi, Cat Cuddles. I know. I'm so sorry the ads are playing. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry about that. But here's Bobby. There's Bobby. She wants to play Diablo. So yeah, Duke, we made the goal. So on Thursday, we're going to play. We're gonna do a room tour stream. Kano, I love this game. So I played Diablo 1 for the very first time ever in my life last year. And I loved it. It became a comfort game to me. And so I thought to myself, today, I was like, I think it's time for Diablo 2. And I remembered that I had the resurrected version. So I was like, let's do it. Let's play. And so it's fun. I picked the Amazon. And we just did the skill tree for her with the javelin. And it's been really fun. It's been really fun. What kind of character do you like to play in Diablo, Kano? But I'm really enjoying it. Thank you everyone for checking in, by the way. I think I'll stay a while and listen. Paladin, thank you for the 10 stream streak. Necromancer for you Singularity. Quite a few people were saying that they love the Necromancer. I usually play a Paladin, of course. Yeah, quite a few people were saying that they really like the Necromancer, which makes sense. Oh man. In D2, Necromancer, Amazon Sorcerers. Amazon is quite tough early in the game.
Mario, and I just want to say thank you for raiding the channel.
Assassin or Sorceress? Thank you, Game Boy Colored. Hi, Micah. Welcome. How are you today? Good to see you. Welcome, Raiders. Thank you so much, Game Boy Colored, for the raid. How was your broadcast? Hi, Ryder. Welcome in. We're playing Diablo 2 for the first time. We're playing the resurrected version. Oh, how was Star Wars Battlefront 2, which is an awesome game, by the way.
And now, back to our show.
Okay, the ads are over. If you got hit with the ads, welcome back. Everyone from my channel, please go and give Game Boy Colored a follow. Go and check out their channel. I hope you had fun with Star Wars Battlefront. If you've never been here, my name is Ash. I play retro games and Nintendo games, and today we're playing Diablo 2 for the first time ever. Also, this is Bobby. Me too. I'm very excited to be hosting the main stage at DreamHack. I'm really excited. Oops. That's my lens cover. I'm really excited to be hosting main stage at DreamHack. It's gonna be so much fun. Yeah. Thank you for saying that. Oh, Lego Star Wars: The Force Awakens. Nice. Now, chat. Does it matter if I sell with her or with what's his name? Geed? Are they gonna give me different prices, or can I sell with either one and get the same prices? Same price. Okay, perfect. 18 of 20, 6 of 7, defense 12, defense 12. I'm gonna equip that. It's very good. Loving it so far. That's awesome. I love the Lego Star Wars games. Yeah, Vegas, that is really unfortunate. I agree with you. Yeah. Whoa! What's this? When did I pick this up? Was that what I got for killing that zombie? Thank you, Game Boy Colored. Thank you so much. I'm trying my best. I'm working really hard. I'm trying my best. But thank you so much for saying that. Okay, chat. Oh, this is for the sorceress only. Should I sell this? I feel like I should sell it. I don't think I'm going to use that. Or maybe I should just put it in my... It's a sorcerer weapon. Marvel. Yeah. Okay. So wait a minute. There's a shared... Okay. All right. That's going to make it hard for me to sell stuff. Ooh. Okay, well, I'm going to sell this. What? Oh no, I pressed the wrong thing. Okay. I pressed the wrong thing. Very fast attack speed. Okay, they both say that. Yo, Rat! Hi, Rat. Hello. If you ever plan to make a sorcerer, save it. Otherwise, free money. Okay, I'm gonna keep this, but I'll probably sell this. I can't imagine myself making a paladin. The Scepter of Frost. Rat, how was your day? Have you ever played this, Rat? Okay, let's sell this. And then I'm gonna sell these. I'm gonna sell this bolt. I'm gonna swap that out. Paladins are pretty OP. Really? There'll be plenty of drops for alts later unless you plan to play a different character before finishing. No. No. Okay. I'm gonna keep this, but I'm gonna sell that. I'm gonna sell that. Okay. I think I'm good now. Okay, I have a scroll of town portal. Perfect. And I'll probably get other... I'll probably get other,
Greetings.
Resets. No, talk. Wait, did she say she would teach me something? No. Okay. Those poison throwable potions tend to sell decently. Ooh, should I sell them? Never played much Diablo aside from a little bit of D4. This game is so fun, Rat. If you're a loot goblin like me, this game is very satisfying. Oh, she gave me the skill point already. Oh, got it. It was, oh, okay. So it was this. Okay. Got it. Okay. You making me want to turn this on? You friends. Video games. As Adrian would say,
Hello.
video games.
My rogue scouts have just reported an abomination in the monastery graveyard.
Oh.
Apparently, Andariel is not content to take only our living. Bloodraven, one of our finest captains in the battle against Diablo at Tristram, was also one of the first to be corrupted by Andariel. Now you'll find her in the monastery graveyard, raising our dead as zombies. We cannot abide this defilement. If you are truly our ally, you will help us destroy her.
Oh my god, that's vile. Okay. That's pretty vile. Chat.
Good evening.
Does he have anything to tell us about? Den of Evil.
That which does not kill you makes you stronger.
Sister's Burial Ground.
How can one kill what is already dead?
It's true. That's a good question. Okay. Now, chat, does it... Okay, when I played Diablo 1, I never bought anything from the merchant in Tristram. Do you pretty much do the same thing in this? Like, buying stuff from Guide would probably be too expensive. Just find it as you go through the game. And I had to load up an old save. D is the best. I love watching D play stuff. She's so funny. Right? Like, all this stuff is... You don't have to worry about that. Okay, it's too early. Okay, cool. Yeah, this is all too rich for me. Okay. Alright, let me go to my stash. I'll put my stash in here. Really gave me gonna find good stuff out in the wild, but there came a time where you're gonna want to buy stuff. It's early in the game, the vendor stuff is usually too expensive. Sup of Soup. Hello. May I call you Soup? I love your username. Welcome in. Nice to meet you. Once you start vendoring some magic and rare items, you can easily grab whatever. Yeah, once we start making money. Yeah, whatever. Why you say yeah, whatever? Hello, welcome in. Plenty of stuff to learn first before finding out what is worth it. Got it. Until after the first playthrough. Got you. Okay. Let's put some of these potions in here because I surely don't need that many. I'm gonna put the bolts in here too. Strangling gas potion. Equipped to throw. I gotta be level 6? I'm gonna sell those. I gotta be level 6 before I could even use those. Ooh, there's 23 of these? Interesting. Okay. Let me see how much Guide will give us. Oops.
I'm sorry. The undead are bad for trade. I have a strict no-return policy.
Guide. Forget you. 140, 600? Yeah, I'll sell that. Okay, here we go. Let's go where we need to go, chat. Yo, cat cuddles, no problem. Bobby is here next to me, and she's on the floor. How are your cats? I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Thanks for coming by. Okay, so chat. We have to find this. Oh, you know what? Let's see how we can change the opacity of the map. Remember the rogue who told you to go back before? Nope. The rogue? Oh, yes, 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 yes. Now I remember. Gnawbone. Yes, I remember now. Yes. They've been a little sleepy today. They usually wanted to play. Oh. It didn't show me how to do it. You have to be a non-legacy. Oh. What's this? Oh, it's telling me 2 skill choices remaining? Huh. I didn't think I could. Oh, I can't make. Okay, let's close this out. Yeah, they added that in Resurrected. Does H bring up a menu? Oh, yeah. Help. Enter to go into chat mode. G to toggle between legacy. F to zoom. F? What? Okay. Shift to use a skill. Alt. Alt to highlight items on the ground. Oh, Alt. I'm gonna go above 20 ranks in a skill with skill and items. Okay. I think you have to be in non-legacy. Okay. Okay, wait, go back. Durability, hostile durability ammo. Okay. Now, wait, options. Graphics? Okay. Auto goal pickup, auto party invite, quick cast skills. Should be under gameplay if you want map stuff. Okay. Oh, I could scroll down. See, I didn't even see all of this. Toggle versus alt hold to see items. Okay, you can scroll down these option menus. Okay. Auto map. Show party member. Show character name. Show terror zone. What is a terror zone? Oh, custom opacity. Determines the percentage of opacity for the map. This requires selecting custom for the auto map. Got it. Okay, let's see what that does. Okay. Oh, that's too light. That's too light. There you go. Terror Zone is the endgame thing. Okay. Okay, wait, that's too light for me. Okay, let's bump it up to 40. Okay, that's better. That's better. Now, if I go to this, oh, it kinda feel like it's the same, but alright. Well, we know where we gotta go anyhow. Okay, let me stop running. I don't need to run everywhere. I love this game. Thanks for being on this journey with me. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Chat. Also, chat, we made our sub goal today. We made over 200 subs, so that means that we get to do a room tour stream, which I'll be doing on Thursday. But if we get to 250 subscribers, we'll do an all DS day. We'll do all DS games all day. And if we get to 450 subscriber points, I'll get to unlock a new emote slot. Thank you for helping me to get to my sub goals.
Hey, yo, thank you for the subscription. Now I can go out and get me a nice hot dog.
A nice hot dog.
What's wrong with the way I say hot dog?
Yeah, thank you, Push. Thank you so much for the tier 1 sub. 78 months is absolutely bananas to me to see that subscriber badge in chat. That is just beautiful. Thank you for supporting my channel for such a long time. Push is really wonderful and knows a lot about wrestling. Kirby jump scared me. I'm sorry. Nothing wrong with how you say hot dog. Thank you, Push. How's your family doing?
Beware. Beyond lies mortal danger for the likes of you. Take care. The corrupted rogues in the wilderness ahead are not to be trifled with.
Yeah, pretty much, Duke. Pretty much from the beginning. Hi, Blackwater Goat. Hello. Okay. Entering the cold plains. I'm scared, chat. I'm scared. Get him. Oh, you? Whoa! How dare you? Who are you?
Hey, yo, thank you for the subscription. Now I can go out and get me a nice hot dog. What's wrong with the way I say hot dog?
Thank you so much for subscribing to tier 1 for 3 months. 3 months in advance. Enjoy your Bobby emotes. Thank you. How dare you bring these back to life. Libby, thank you very, very, very much. It was really, really kind of you. Thank you so much. Why is that grayed out? I'm curious. Thank you. That is so, so amazing. Yeah, because I'm working hard to unlock some more emote slots. Because we have some really cool emotes that, you know, they're sitting there waiting to be uploaded. Chat, look what we found.
Thanks for the follow.
Hey, thanks so much to the person that followed. Ethereal, socketed, or low quality? Oh, got it. Okay. What does socketed mean? You have empty slots for all those unidentified items. Okay. We need, yeah, we do. We need to, I don't have any identify scrolls. You can put gems or ruins in them. Oh, hi Eyes, welcome, good to see you. We're playing Diablo for the first time ever, and it's been such a joy. Have you ever played this? Gem slots. Socketed means gems or skulls can be placed in them. You like my tiara? Thank you. I have so many tiaras and crowns and I never wear them. So I was like, you know what? I feel like Diablo. It would suit Diablo, so why not? It's been a long time. It's been a long time. It's so good. I'm having such a fun time with this. True, I should do that. Gnawbone. The heart, truly majestic. Thank you, Forest of Fires. That's true. It's been a long road. That's true.
Getting from there to here.
It's true. I mean, you know, we're gonna stream and dress up, you know? Ash, put Bobby on your head. You be a druid. Okay, I'm gonna go. So if I use Town Portal, will it bring me back exactly here? All right. I think you're right. I do have enough money to buy cool stuff. Yep. Oh, nice. Oh, good, good, good. Okay, that's helpful.
The Order welcomes you.
Okay, let's buy a Town Portal. Identify. Well, let's buy like 5 of those. Can only have one at a time. Got it. Okay, perfect. Okay, now let's identify this. Poison resist. Barrel boots of self-repair. Poison resist. And repairs durability. I like that. A second will close any others you have open. Got it. Tomes let you stack scrolls. Oh! So the Tome of Identify will let me stack the Identify scroll. There you go. Amulet of Craftsmanship, +1 to maximum damage.
This is Princess Zelda, and I want to welcome in all the raiders. Hi!
Hi! Thank you so much, Star-Lord, for the raid. Welcome. Tomes hold up to 20 scrolls. Tomes should be your first purchase. I see. Okay. Thank you so much. You use them to save on inventory space. That makes sense. Okay. Thank you so much, Star-Lord, for the raid. How was your broadcast? Welcome in. If you've never been here, my name is Ash. I play retro games and Nintendo games, and today we're playing Diablo 2 for the first time ever, and this is Diablo Resurrected, so we can switch between the classic graphics and the new graphics, which is really cool. Everyone, please go and give Star-Lord a follow, who's really awesome and kind. I hope you had a fun time playing Mouse PI for Hire. The game is so cool. I really want to play it myself. Most of this game is and you know what? I love inventory management. I really love inventory management. Okay, Ring of Strength. +2 to strength. Let's go. That's dope. Tell that to STO. Wow. Wow. Yeah, that's true. It's a whole different ball game. Can you put any of those potions on your belt? No, it says that my belt is 4 slots. And I already have these 4 slots here. I was playing Variety, Power Rangers, Streets of Rage, Mouse for Hire, TMNT. Nice. That sounds like a fun time. Okay, I'm gonna buy... Oh, wait, no. Let me exit out of here. How do I... Oh, there we go. Okay, okay. I didn't mean to press that. How do I... Oop. Whoops. I need to play StarCraft 2. Nice crown, thank you. Okay. I hope that didn't close my portal. It might have, but that's okay. Because we weren't far anyway. I'm doing fine, thank you. I think that closed my portal. Did you choose offline or on? I chose offline. I chose offline. Hi, Mr. J. Hello. I know the difference, right? Look at that. Isn't it cool? Thank you, Mr. J. It said that I could choose online. Washington. It said that I could choose online. Okay, does this tell me? Okay, I have 3. I'm gonna put this in my stash. Hi, Orbital. The music is so good. The music is really, really awesome. Yeah, I chose it because since I'm new, I was like, oh, it might be better if I choose offline. Yeah, I've been mostly playing the game this way. I love, love, love this game, Mr. J. Did I close my portal by exiting out? I think I did. Yeah, I'm really, really enjoying this. It did. That's okay. Increase and decrease the difficulty. Yeah. I love pixel art too. Well, you know me, retro games are gonna be near and dear to my heart. So this is just, it's very comfy. Thank you. I use, what do I use? Today I used, a mix between Elf. I used a mix between Elf and, I can't remember the other one. It was two eyeshadow palettes I used today. Hi, Quiet Assassin. Welcome. Did you find a new waypoint? Oh, I did, actually. Oh, no, I didn't. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I didn't. I didn't find a new waypoint yet. But it's okay. It wasn't that far. Oh, dear. Superior short sword. Oh, we're having so much fun, Star-Lord. It's the entrance to the zone. I might have just missed it. I might have, like, just missed it. I like how they're all running away from me. What the heck? Okay. Ah. It's such a funny sound. Oh my god. You don't want none of that. Low quality leather gloves. Oh, I should probably not even pick all that crap up. 6 gold. Ooh. A sapphire. What is a sapphire for? Zombie hit sound is funny. Watch out, it's Ash. Stabby, stabby. Oh, that's for socketing? So this... Oh, cold damage. Neat. Damage eagle orb. Ooh. I like how we have to, like, physically manipulate our inventory to get it to fit. Cool. Okay. So there should be a waypoint around here somewhere. Do enemies respawn once I've killed them? No, the answer is yes. Yep. Okay, they're coming back to life because there's another shaman. This is like so satisfying. Like you could literally click and just like not think about anything else. Like this is just the best. RE4, you gotta move stuff around. Only if you create a new game do they respawn. Hold left. Oh yeah. I don't think there's anything on the floor. I think I picked everything. Oh, there's some stuff over here. Oh, I guess I got more stuff for killing him. Nice. There's the waypoint. Oop. Neat. Okay. So we got some stuff to identify here. Nice. Alright. Some uniques are randomly generated. Some of them are always in certain plays. One of us. One of us. Okay, let's take a look at the map. How did you escape? Anything else over here? I can't miss any loot, chat, so I'm just making sure that I didn't miss anything. So if I take this and go back to town and then come back, will all those enemies respawn? Oh my... Who are you? Okay, wait, we need to get rid of you first. And you. Get wrecked. There's lots of stuff on the ground to pick up.
I can't carry anymore.
Okay, wait. Let me get rid of this. Is that worth it? Nah, I don't even think that's worth it. No, only if you save. No, only on new game. No, only if you save and exit. Okay, got it. Thank you, chat. Okay. I was like, wait, there was somebody else over here that needed a stabbing. Listen, we can't let any... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Whoops. Whoopsie daisy. Whoops. Okay, let's kill you first. And you? Okay, they're gonna come. Some of these are gonna come back to life because of the frickin' ones over here. I did not mean to pick that up.
I am overburdened.
I am overburdened. Okay, hold on. I'll pick that up. That one. Okay, right. Okay. Let's get rid of that. Let's pick this up. Alright. Alright. If you press R, I think it'll make your character run. Oh yeah, I was running before, but I stopped.
I can't carry anymore.
I stopped running and I forgot to turn it back on. Charms are good to identify as soon as you get them. Okay.
I am overburdened.
Okay, where's my charm? This. Small charm of life. Keep an inventory to gain bonus. Ooh. +8 to life. Amulet of energy. +3 to energy. I could probably sell that. Okay. Prozac, hello. So nice to meet you. Welcome in. It's my first time playing. Because they give bonus for being in inventory. Got it. What were you playing before? What do you mean? Like, just in general on my channel? I've never played Diablo 2 before, so I was like, oh, let me play today. Today's the day I want to play it. And it's been wonderful to play. Okay, so I could probably sell this. Y'all are still alive? Oh, you're still alive. What's this? Refilling shrine. Nothing. I hear you. Throwing knife.
I am overburdened.
I am overburdened. Alright, well, I can't pick anything else up. I think I have to go back to town. Okay. Let's sell some crap, chat.
Good day.
Let me ask you a question. Is that like the general rhythm of the game? Kill, find stuff, sell stuff, warp back. You know what I'm saying? Yes. All right, I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay. I think I'm gonna sell this. Gotta identify that. I think I'm gonna sell that. Dungeon crawl and put faster. Really rare drops from endgame are insane dopamine. I bet. Extraction dungeon crawl before extraction shooters were a thing. Singularity. I love it. Love. Love with a capital love. Dagger of Frost. I don't think I'm gonna use a dagger. Jagged Hand, X of Worth. Yeah, no. Sorcerer's Staff class. And D2 has a dub in it, unlike D3 and D4. There are items in this game worth tens of thousands. Can't wait to check out Horizon multiplayer extraction. Yo, that sounds awesome. Well, let me put this here. Buy more of these. How many do I got? 4? I'll buy one more. All right. I need to be level 14 to use this. So I can't even use that yet. I'm gonna sell this. Amulet of Energy, +3 to energy. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep that. Put this in my... Let me put those in my my little treasure chest. Put this here. Okay. Oh my gosh, chat. I have so many potions. Let's put some of these away. I don't need this many. You know? I'll keep some. And put this in here. You know? Everything has to be organized. Otherwise, I freak out. Heals life and mana. Ooh, okay. Okay. That feels much better. Try a new warlock class at some point? Oh, nice. Yeah, I heard some people talking about that. I learned a ton about D2. Libby, thank you for saying that. Thank you. Yeah, Adrian's channel is one of my favorite channels on Twitch. It's a really comfy place to hang out. I'm glad you were able to hang out with Adrian today. New Warlock now, is Warlock in Diablo 2? It's not for everyone, but there's a hardcore mode where your character dies. Oh, I was asking about that, Prez, when we first started. Because I clicked it. It's fun in a different way. Hardcore has better loot. Yeah, it's probably like... Oh my gosh, yeah. That is really... Yeah. That makes sense that it would have better loot. Okay. Let's go up here. D2 months ago, a new chapter in a warlock class. That is so cool that they're still supporting. They're still supporting these games. Oh, I like that the treasure stayed on the ground. Bring price way down on the TVs. When I used to work at GameStop, he was the TV promo. Oh my god, yes! That's true. That's true, Libby. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. They coming for me. I priced an entire game for one character. Okay.
Hey everyone, this is Badgie here, and I just wanted to say thanks for raiding the channel. I totally won't destroy you now.
Badgie! Badgie, behave! Purple Mando, thank you so much for the raid. Hi. What retro game did you play today? Thank you.
Are guest.
TARDIS, did I deserve that curse? Did I deserve... Hi, Flocka! Welcome. How are you feeling today? Good to see you. Welcome in, Raiders. If you've never been here, my name is Ash. I play retro games and Nintendo games, and today we're playing Diablo 2 for the first time. We're playing Diablo 2 for the first time. How are you? What retro did y'all play with Mando today? Thank you for choosing us. What if I sent Moopsy after Badgie? That's a good idea, actually. That is a good idea. I like it. Send Moopsy. I'm doing good, Flocka. We're having a good time with Diablo 2. Final Fantasy 9. Yo, nice. You got your butt kicked by a tree. Wow. Wow. That's quite the story. Everyone from my channel, please go and give Purple Mando a follow. Go and check out their channel. Go and hang out with them. Thank you for coming to hang out with us. I really appreciate you a whole lot. Uh-oh. Those gargantuan beasts are really not that strong. Okay. But yeah, oh my gosh, I love that emote. Please go and give Purple Mando a follow. Go and check out the channel. Ooh, we got a potion. Mana recharge shrine. Well, I'm not going to use that because we don't use our mana. Eagle orb. Damage dagger. I'm not going to pick that up. I need to conserve the inventory space. No problem, Purple Mando. I understand. You gotta go take care of yourself. You know, eat something. Get away from the computer screen. Totally understand. Take care of yourself. Thank you for the raid. How dare you run up on me like that? Hi, Reaper! Reaper, how are you? Good to see you. I hope you're having a good time today. We're having so much fun killing all these enemies here. It's been really good. See, he's running away. He's scared. Ooh, a chest. Stamina shrine. Alright, there's gotta be you. Yep. I like doing this versus throwing the javelin sometimes. My Tuesday was good. My Tuesday was good. I had a productive day. Thank you for asking. A very productive day. And y'all gonna run? Get out of here. Yes.
I am overburdened.
We got a scroll of stamina. I mean, a scroll of identify. I am overburdened. I'm gonna get rid of that. Defense 16. Defense 12. 7% enhanced defense. I don't know which one is better. Okay, we'll have to think about that later. For now, we have to go for more treasure. Okay. We have to kill all these abominations. Bolts. Oh, come here. Let me kill you. I keep forgetting that I have to hold shift if I want to stand still. Okay. Die. They drop a lot of potions, which is good. Wait, there's another one? Oh, you. Oh, it's you. Nice. Kill this gargantuan beast here. Hi, Mind Beams. How are you today? Good to see you. How you doing? How you doing? Oh, chat. Okay, wait. No, I don't want that. What? Wait a minute. I did have another slot. Love the Diablo 2 vibes. It's so good. It's my first time ever playing, and I'm really enjoying it. It's so great. Is there a genre of retro game I have yet to play? Good question. That's a good question. Let me think about that a little bit, Duke. Because I pretty much put I played car racing games, I played point and clicks.
I am overburdened.
I have played. Ooh, okay, wait.
Did you just tier 2 sub? Whoa! Thank you so much!
Sarek, thank you for the tier 2 sub. How are you? Welcome. Welcome. Thank you so much. Is this D2 or just the LOD? This is D2 Resurrected Prozac. Thank you, Sarek. How are you? I literally misclicked. It should have been tier 3. That's okay. I appreciate your support. Yeah, I'm using the old graphics. Yeah. I mostly play retro games on this channel, Prozac. So I wanted to. I really enjoyed the classic look. Yeah. Oh my gosh. But yeah, here's Bobby. She wanted to come say hi to y'all. She wanted to come say hi. How was your day, Sarek? I hope you had a good one. Thanks for coming by. I really appreciate it. Is there another shaman? Have you ever played this? Oh yeah, there he is. I was like, come on. Okay. Now, I want these town portal scrolls. And I'll get rid of that. Yeah, the shaman, especially since you don't see them right away, it is a little annoying, but that's okay. Let's see, is there anything in here? Okay. I feel like I do have to go back to town. Because, I have no inventory space. This game is fun. Okay, so I have Champions of Norath on PlayStation 2, and I do want to play it. You know what I also loved? The Baldur's Gate game that was isometric. What was it called again? You know what I'm talking about? Like, there was a Baldur's Gate game where it played just like this, and it was isometric. Shadrock. Dark Alliance. That's it. Yes, I love that game. I played it with my dad, and we had the best time. Shadrock. We're playing the Diablo II for the first time ever. Look, there's Bobby. I would get up to show you Tech War, but Bobby's in my lap. I can't disturb the cat. That's illegal. It's a crime to disturb a cat. So pretend that I showed you Tech War. Bobby over Tech War. Hi, Jennifer. Welcome. Chat, ads are gonna play in about 2 minutes. I'm like, where's the shaman? I know he's here.
I can't carry anymore.
Oh my god. Okay. There's a Fallout game with Dark Alliance engine and gameplay. Same deal? Yo, that's sick! No, I wouldn't eat a dog. I would not eat a dog. Thank you for lurking, Jennifer. I know! I'm too much of a loot goblin. Look, look! I have too much crap! I can't help myself. I can't help it. A key? Javelin? Okay, wait. I need the key. Did I pick up the key? Yeah, I'm such a loot goblin. Oh, they're slower adventure. It's exactly true. Oh my god. Oh, you.
I am overburdened.
I am overburdened. How dare you? Okay. Thank you, Star-Lord. Thank you. Oh dear. What's this over here? To the cave, level 1? Am I even supposed to go in there? Huh.
I
Short
can't
staff.
carry anymore.
I'm gonna drop this just so I can see what this short staff is. Oh, interesting. It's an optional dungeon. If you hold down shift, your character won't walk around the enemy. Yes, I know. I just keep forgetting, Sirik. Have nice loot and it's good for XP. Okay, good to know. I just keep forgetting to hold shift. I know. I'm just.
After these
Messages. We'll be right back. Alright, chat. We're gonna pause for the ads. You can have, yeah, if you press R, you can auto run. Alright, we're gonna pause for the ads here, chat. I hope you've been enjoying this playthrough of Diablo 2. I really appreciate you all. I'm gonna stretch for a second and I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'm gonna stretch. So I'll see you in a minute. I'll see you in a minute. Actually, we'll do this one. And then that one.
beep. Meow.
Hello. Hello. Thank you, Prozac. Yeah, I have a lot of games. I have a lot of video games and things. Auto run is toggleable. Oh, should do that. I should do that. Oh man. Okay. Oh, it turned to daytime. I think I should go back to town and sell some stuff. Sure.
I am overburdened.
I am overburdened. Modmore, hello. I saw a cosplay of that Zelda dress you have. Amazing work. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Inventory. I think I'm gonna drop this and pick up where? Okay. Let me go back to town actually. Because I'm gonna keep finding things. I love how they immediately run away when the shaman dies. Isn't this game where you can go to Cowtown? I don't know. Cowtown? What's Cowtown? Diablo 2 is awesome. This game is so fun.
I am overburdened.
I'm having the best time. Oh, I keep forgetting to hold shift, y'all. I really do forget. I'm so sorry. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna use Town Portal.
I am overburdened.
There's no cow level. That's a StarCraft cheat. You go through a portal and it's nothing but cows. That is so funny. Okay, let's do it. Okay, chat, let's get rid of some stuff. I'm gonna fill up on potions, aren't I? Oh, 28% extra gold from monsters. That's awesome. Hi, businessman. That's really, really cool. Okay. Okay. Gnawbone, which one do you think is better? Do you think the superior leather armor is better than the superior quilted armor? Because the defense is 16, but this one gives 7% enhanced defense, and I'm not that good at math. You played it on a friend's PC while traveling cross country? That is
Thanks
so
for the
cool.
follow.
Hey, thank you so much to the person that followed. Welcome in. So the 18 defense. So this one says 16 defense. Open your character sheet. Oh, you can see that? Chat, I leveled up and I didn't even know. Oh yeah, this one's better. I leveled up and I didn't even know. Okay, strength, vitality, dexterity. There we go. Also where it says defense and attack rating to see. Yeah, this is definitely better. Oh my gosh, that was so funny. I'll be leveling up. Okay, now hold on a minute. Character sheet. Attack damage 1. I think this is
Impossible.
Wait, why can't I wear it? Oh, can be inserted into a socketed item. Oh, got it. Okay. Okay. All right, let's put that away then. Okay. Version they clipped off the door of the final boss. I don't know. What are the keys for, chat? Okay.
Greetings.
Sell that. Locked chest. Oh, sometimes the doors and chests are locked. Tome of Town Portal. Let's get it. Let's get it, chat. Perfect. I'm gonna sell this. Okay. Don't get stuck anywhere for not having them, but you'll pass up chests or shorter paths. Got it. Provide a vital public service. Thank you, Mudmore. Yeah. Got it, got it. Okay. Alright, now Tome of Town Portal and Tome of Identify. Okay. So we have tons of that stuff. Can get out of here. Nice. And there. Is it, if it's not red or blue, you don't need that potion? Really? I don't need the stamina potions? Sarek? I'll put them away. Stamina is clutch early in game. Okay, I'll keep 2 of them. All right. I think that's good. There we go. Okay, let's go back. Thank you, Prez! Yes, I would love to do that with you. I would love to play multiplayer. That would be so much fun. Okay, now we can pick up all the crap that I left behind. A whole bunch because they're cheap. Pop them one after another because running fast is useful in this game. True. Okay. Uh-oh. Running fast is useful. Where'd the other shaman go? Oh, it wasn't another shaman. Oh, he's over here. There we go. Nice. DC Fresh says multiplayer can be frustrating. Just in case when you're not paying attention, totally run out. But after a while, you have so much stamina, it won't be an issue. True. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, I definitely want to go through the optional cave, but not right now. The burial grounds. Oh, this is where we needed to go.
Great sorrow and misery.
Ooh. I sense great sorrow and misery. This is where we're supposed to go, I guess. Nice. To the crypt. Huh. Interesting. What is that?
Join my army of the dead.
What? Who are you? What? Oh my god. I hate her. No, no. I killed her. I killed her. She's dead. She's dead. Woo. Whoa. Okay, we did it. GG. Oh my god.
Rest in peace, sister.
Rest in peace, sister. Oh, was she the one doing evil? Great work. Thank you, Livy. She's actually the rogue character from D1. Oh, that's sad. We did it. Better loot than the cave? Really? Okay, we're gonna have to do that. There's more undead here. Okay. There's so many skellies here. Got him. It did look like it was kind of one-sided for a second. I agree, Libby. It did look like that. I got a little nervous. I got a little nervous. But it worked out. It worked out. Okay. Chat, I think what I'm gonna do... I'm gonna go back to the town. It is 1:30 in the morning. I have CrossFit tomorrow. I have CrossFit, so I have to unfortunately go. But we'll pick this up for sure. Let's save and exit. Did you all have fun? We already made it to level 5. Thank you. Yeah, I had a great time. We will be playing more of this. We will be playing more of this. I have to find a way to balance it into my UN squadron practice. But this is really good. This was really, really good. I have Diablo 2, Diablo 3. Oh my god. That was really, 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 really awesome. I have Diablo 2, Diablo 3. And I need to get Diablo 4. Thank you, Son Goku. Thank you so much. Please don't go. Thank you, TARDIS. Thank you so much. It was a really fun time. I'm gonna start streaming earlier so that way we can stream a little longer. Because it's not good for me to like stream so late in the night and then have to go to CrossFit in the morning. But thanks for getting us to our 200 subscriber goal. We are now at 210 subscribers. When we make 250, we'll be able to do a Nintendo DS. Sorry. We'll be able to do a Nintendo DS stream. Thank you so much. Thank you, Twafo. Thank you, Meow Mix. Thank you, Jennifer. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm gonna start a new goal so that we can make it the next time we stream. Yeah, thank you, Mudmore. Thank you, Vegas. Thank you, Livy. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's see here. Here's my Discord if you want to jump in and say hi and stay up to date with me and my channel. It's a great place to also talk to the lovely people who are in this chat. It's a really great place to do that. Here's my socials. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Threads, Blue Sky. That's also a great place to stay up to date with me, especially when I am away or I'm doing an event like DreamHack Atlanta. That's a good place to stay up to date there. Thank you, TARDIS. Thanks, Flocka. I really appreciate your presence. Thank you so much for supporting me and being amazing. I really appreciate you all so much. Thank you. I'm looking for a nice person to raid. I'm looking for a nice person to raid. Yeah, MomoCon is the weekend after. It's the weekend after DreamHack Atlanta. Gnawbone, it was really awesome having your help. I appreciate you. Thank you for all of the help that you gave us today. That was really, really super, super duper fantastic. Thank you, Mind Beams. Good night. Thank you, thank you. Okay, wait, let me see. What is going on here? You know what? I have never had the chance to raid Pogo Fury. Pogo Fury is an absolutely amazing, incredible artist who does emotes for so many people and is currently raising money for Game On to End Lupus. So let's go raid Pogo Fury. Yeah, it's going to be busy, Duke. Let's go raid Pogo Fury, who is playing a game called Last Gas Station. Pogo plays lots of indie games, and like I said, is an incredible artist, emo artist, animator, and plays lots of indie, and is just really cool and super talented. So let's go give them some hype. Let's go give them some hype, and I will see you all next time. I'll see you all on Thursday, so for the room tour. So until then, don't forget to tell your friends Ash said hi. Bye, everyone.